everyone. My name's Phil with the Go Sold Real Estate team. This is my partner, Kevin.belzer, and we are out here in East Mesa. Kevin, where exactly are we at?
We are at 2542 East Gary Street in Mesa, Arizona.
Let's go take a peek at the inside. Kevin, this isn't the inside of the house.
No, I was thirsty.
So where are we at?
We're at the soda shop.
All right, well, since we're here, what exactly is the soda shop?
Well, do you remember all those concoctions you'd make as a little kid?
Yeah.
Where you just mix a bunch of different sodas together and ingredients in the kitchen,
Right.
and you'd have your mega drink?
Yeah.
Well, that's what they can do here. It's so cool. There's two of them in the valley, and this one is walking distance to the house.
All right. Now, let's go see the inside this time.
All right.
Welcome to the inside of the house. Kevin, let's talk specs.
It's a single-story ranch. It's just over 1,700 square feet with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths.
Feels very spacious, but more importantly, I see a ton of upgrades.
Yeah, you got the granite countertops with the new backsplash on it. Upgraded bathrooms as well.
But more importantly, right when you walk into the house, there's a beautiful ceiling in the family room.
You don't see this. It's just absolutely blows my mind, the detail on it, and the cool little features. You got the fireplace in the back of it too.
Nice little cozy area for the holidays or even when people are over. Welcome to the backyard of this house in East Mesa. Kevin, let's share with them the big ticket items.
Well, speaking of big, this yard is one of the largest, if not the largest yard in the whole neighborhood at over 11,000 square feet. It's got the beautiful green area to go play with your dogs or kids. It's got the workshop over in the corner, and there's a pool, but we can talk about that later.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Either way, this lot is huge and it's perfect for entertaining. Last but not least, we wanted to share with you why these older pools are such a huge benefit. Kevin?
Phil, the best part about these pools is you can still do cannonball!
Thank you so much for joining us today at this beautiful home in East Mesa. If you would like to set up a showing or have any questions, feel free to call us at
480-305-6655. Or go to our website, gosoldrealty.com.
Thank you so much for joining us. And until next time, have a great day.